Hey guys, how are you? So today we are welcome to the my data science YouTube channels and artificial intelligence where I am going to give you the latest technologies and what methods or tools technology you should learn or improve and the recent trends are going on in the market and what types of interview questions are raising in the market or the preparation strategy you need. I'm going to guide you all those. So today we are going to see the one new topic and it's related to the RAG systems, multimodal RAG. And one most important questions related here is like how you will pass the documents, either it's image, PDF file, docx file, Excel file, table format, and all those format. Let's say if user upload the PDF file which have the table contents, also it has the image content and also it has the text. So you can't just utilize means you can't just apply the PyPDF loader there and you just extract the text, but you have to also extract the text from the image if there are the image which are related to the pie chart, bar, graph, or complex image, then that model should also learn or interpret those image and it should try to give the answer. Also, if there is the table data or Excel sheets or something like if user just uploading the image, then also your model should able to give the answers to the users. So today we're going to talk about the various parsing methods. So one of the best method is like just utilize that PyPDF loader and it will extract the text from the PDF, but it will not extract the text from images. So we'll need to utilize like PyTesseract or TextTesseract, but those are very simple and they will just extract the text, but they will not going to combine the text in the right way. So next version will come is like you need to utilize various libraries like feeds or unstructured IO parser, where it will extract the text from PDF, it will extract the images from PDF, also it will extract the separate tables from PDF. So it will extract three elements. Like one is the text, another one is the table, and another one is the image. So after that, what you have need to do, if it is the text, then you have need to apply the simple recursive characters text filter with the chunk overlap something for the text. If those are the images, then you need to pass those images to the multimodal model like Gemini Pro Vision or GPT-4o model. So that image will that model will going to take input as image and you will need to pass some system prompts. So those prompts will going to extract those contents from the images and they will going to give you the right one summary. And if there is a table structure, then by using that unstructured IO parser, it will extract the tables in a right way. And yeah, you just need to fit that table to the chunking strategy, and you can also pass their overlap. So in this way, you can parse all those. And nowadays there are API-based structure parser also coming like Llama parser or some others. Google Cloud also giving like document intelligence parser or just LLM parser or OCR parser, where those are the based upon the intelligence base, but those models require some API keys. So the earlier methods I have told you, so those are based upon just the free versions. And in the interview will ask you the questions, then questions will be definitely based upon that. How you will load and pass the documents, how you will make the chunks, how you will extract the image data, how you will extract the table content. If to avoid the loss meaning between those chunks, what we'll do, so you can say you have added that chunk overlap. Then they will ask you which multimodal you have utilized and how you extracted that image data, then how you have indexed all those. So you can say, let's say if it's a PDF file and it's containing one page, and in that one page there is also one image of dashboard or a pie chart, and also there is another image of that table. So you can say like we have utilized that unstructured IO parser. So within that, so for one page it has given extracted all the text from that page. For table, we have utilized that structure IO table element. So it has given the all the content for table. And for image also we have utilized that unstructured IO image elements. So whatever image we have got, that we have passed image to GPT model, and whatever content we have written from that GPT model, we have considered that content as in the same page. So one page will contains all those text data, image data, and table data also. So you can keep the continuity of the chunks without losing the meaning. So if there is a particular image on the page, so most of the cases that image is only related to that page. So in this way you can tell to the interview. And nowadays that is the most important, and so many need to understand that like how you are done. Also there are other libraries like feeds. Through the feeds library also you can extract the text, table, or image data and so many things. So because of here weather too much humidity, I am getting too much sweat. So we will talk tomorrow with another methods and detailed explanation. If you have any other questions or doubt, please try to ask me in the comments and please let me know how those are the videos. So thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.